Welcome to CBSE Express. Hello everyone. Do you find it difficult to remember the immunoglobulins, their feature and functions? If yes, then this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of immunoglobulins. Let's begin with the definition of immunoglobulins. What are immunoglobulins? These are also known as antibodies. These are glycoprotein molecules produced by plasma cells, that is a type of white blood cells, in response to antigens, that is foreign substances like bacteria, viruses, and toxins. They play a crucial role in the immune system by identifying and neutralizing pathogens. In other words, they help to protect your body from infection and diseases. There are five types of immunoglobulins. Remember the five types of immunoglobulins? Do you like to? Well, the eyes answer is GAME, game, immunoglobulin G, A, E, and D are there. Or you can also remember it this way: always good dogs eat meal. Here you have to just remember the first letter. These are the easiest way to remember these five immunoglobulins, that is GAMED, gamed. Now let's see the features of all these immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulin G. G for great. Why is it called great? Because it is the most common or most abundant immunoglobulin, and it crosses the placenta to provide protection to the fetus in mother's womb. Percent wise, it is 75%. Next comes IgA, axed. It is mainly present in mucosal areas. We will talk about it later in detail. IgM, that is massive or first responder. What does it mean? It is the largest immunoglobulin in human body. And it is the first responder, means it is the first to act on the bacteria or viruses when they enter in our body. IgE, EEC. It is responsible for causing allergic reactions in our body. That's why EEC. IgD, we don't know much about this particular immunoglobulin. And that's why, remember, don't know. Let's know more about these antibodies. IgG, great, that is the most abundant. And you must also know that it provides you the long-term immunity. IgA, against, it provides you the shield against bacterial infection or any other infection. It is found in mucosal area or mucus and prevents colonization by pathogens. IgM, massive, that is the largest antibody and the first responder. IgE, IgG, takes care of allergies and parasitic infections. IgD, don't know, least understood. And B cell receptor. B cells are white blood cells responsible for immunity in your body. I hope you all love stories. You can also remember these immunoglobulins in story based mnemonic. Imagine you are playing a game in which your body is a palace and there are different soldiers who are trying to protect this palace. In this game, there are guards named IgG who are protecting your body palace with long lasting vigilance or providing you long lasting immunity. And they are abundant or very high in number. Next, your body palace is provided with an armor called IgA, which acts like a shield and doesn't allow entry of any harmful substances. These are mainly present in your mucous membranes, and mucous membranes are widespread in your body, including your digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, etc. IgM is a marine who is so alert that as soon as it sees any toxin, it destroys it. It is the first to respond in the battlefield inside body and is always ready to fight. IgE acts like an eagle and reaches the right location swiftly during allergic reactions or against parasites. It says, "Hey pathogens, I have spotted you and I'm coming there to attack you." Last but not the least, IgD. It investigates unknown cases on B cells. There might be some secret invasions, and IgD tries to find out the same. Hope you have enjoyed this story. Now let's take some questions. You may answer in the comment box. Which immunoglobulin do we receive from our mother through her milk? And which immunoglobulin crosses the placenta? I'm not going to give you the straight answers. We all live in India or the adjoining countries. And here, generally, you must have heard the words Ai, Amma, and Ammi. These are the words used for mother. And all these words start with letter A. And yes, you are right. Immunoglobulin A is the immunoglobulin which we receive from our mother through breastfeeding. The answer to second question is immunoglobulin G, which passes the barrier of placenta and reaches the fetus to protect it. You must thank your mother for providing you with the essential immunoglobulins to protect you from the diseases right from your fetal stage. If you still have any doubt, share in the comment box and I will try to resolve it. Let's summarize this lesson. Today we have studied 5 immunoglobulins in the easiest way. And the easiest way to remember the word GAMED, gamed. Thank you. And don't forget to LCSS, that is like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel CBSE Express.